How to make your home safe for seniors. Essential fall prevention tips. Did you know that simple changes around your home can dramatically reduce the risk of falls for older adults? In this video, we'll walk through easy modifications that can keep your loved ones safe and independent. Let's get started. First, let's tackle stairs, one of the most common hazard areas. Install sturdy handrails on both sides, not just one. Add non-slip strips to each step and make sure the staircase is well lit. Consider motion-activated lights that turn on automatically at night. Now to the bathroom, where most household falls occur. Install proper grab bars near the toilet and shower. And remember, towel racks aren't strong enough to serve as grab bars. Use a non-slip mat in the shower and a shower chair if needed. Keep a nightlight on for those late-night bathroom trips. In the bedroom, place a lamp within easy reach of the bed. Remove any throw rugs that could slip and make sure pathways are clear. If getting up is difficult, consider a bed rail for extra support. For the kitchen, store frequently used items on lower shelves so there's no need to stretch or climb. Use a stable step stool with a handrail if you must reach higher cabinets. Keep floors dry and clean up spills immediately. Some extra safety tips. Wear shoes with good support and non-slip soles around the house. Take your time when standing up. Pause for a moment after sitting before you start walking, and have your vision checked regularly, as poor eyesight increases fall risk. With these simple changes, you can create a safer home environment that helps seniors maintain their independence. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Stay safe. Remember, preventing falls starts with being proactive about home safety.